Good morning students. Today we are going to learn chapter 3 chemical substances and processes. In the previous class we already learned about matter and its nature, and you know that matter exists in three stages, that is solid, liquid and gases, and all matter is made up of small particles that are called atoms. So, atoms combine to form molecules. For example, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combine together and form a molecule of water. The next term is pure substances. And what is pure substances? Materials which are made up of same kinds of particles, that is has atoms or molecules, are called pure substances. So further we can divide pure substances into two categories. First one is element and second one is compound. What is an element? An element is a pure substance that is made up of same kinds of atoms. For example, iron. Here you can see that iron is made up of same kinds of atoms, that is iron atoms, and copper is made up of copper atoms. Second is compound. So compound is a pure substance that is made up of same kinds of molecules, and here the example of compound is water. You can see that water is formed due to the combination of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. The next point is chemical symbols. Here we are going to learn some chemical symbols of some common elements. First element is hydrogen, and what is the symbol? H. Second element is sodium, and symbol for sodium is Na. Magnesium, Mg. Aluminium, Al. Calcium, Ca. Potassium, K. Iron, Fe. Copper, Cu. Gold, Au. Silver, Ag. Carbon, C. Oxygen, O. Sulfur, S. Nitrogen, N. Phosphorus, P. The next term is the names and symbols of some common ions along with their charge. Sodium. So what is the formula of sodium ion? Na plus. Magnesium, Mg2 plus. Aluminium, Al3 plus. Calcium, Ca2 plus. Chloride, Cl minus. Oxide, O2 minus. Hydroxide, OH minus. Carbonate, CO3 2 minus. The next term is chemical formula. So you can see that chemical formula is based on the composition of the atoms. And how to write a chemical formula? These three steps are there. First step is symbols of positive and negative ions are written with their charges. And second step is common factor. If there is any common factor, so we have to remove this. And third one is charges of two ions are crisscross. For example, if we have to write the formula of sodium oxide. So firstly we have to write the formula of sodium, that is Na plus, and the formula of oxide, that is O2 minus. So there is no common factor between them, because sodium has plus 1 charge and oxide has 2 minus charge. So we have to crisscross them. Na plus, O2 minus. So we have to crisscross them, and the formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. Some more example. To write the formula of aluminium sulfate, we have to write formula of that is SO4 2 minus. So there is no common factor between them. So we have to crisscross their charges. So what is the formula?